Hello, teacher. How to describe a cultural event? Yurley Yesenia Cruz Villamizar, Corporación Universitaria del Caribe, SECA, CAU, El Doncello, Caquetá. Ice Festival. Harvey International Ice a snow festival in the largest annual ice and a snow festival in the world. This is a unique event and annual the on the 1963, it started at the in December and lasts about 2 months until the end of February. When winter comes, Harbin turns in the kingdom of ice and snow is the right time and the right place to experience it and to its palace. Everyone there hundreds of the best is sculptor for around the world come here to create its magic. On Isla del Sol, you can find the Hood Snow sculpture and wonderful work of art. Here you can visit the largest museum of indoor ice and snow art, which is usually open from November. It chose the ice festival because in and the scoop and world Madeo is very interesting. It is very surprised to see figures and to see as well as new learning considering that I have no way of these festivals that are held in different parts of the world. Thank you, teacher.